quickly recover documents on your phone. Go ahead and click the Play Store, guys, and you want to search for application on the top chart for apps called File Recovery App. If you're not able to find it in the top charts, you can search for File Recovery App. It's by Adkins Studio. You can quickly download it. The app contains ads, so when you're using it, if you're using the free version, you will find some ads here and there. But once you're encounter those ads, you can click continue on the upper right to use the app without any problem. Now you want to look for the docs recovery and click in that. And possibly if you're opening it for the first time, it will ask you to give permission. So you want to do that. Now look how quick that took. It found over 72 recovered files that I can quickly restore on my phone. This is powerful. And what I really like is that not only it can recover docs, but it can recover audio files, video files, and even it can recover photos on your phone too. How cool is that? Right? So you can quickly download and install this on your phone. And that's it, guys.